Life can get busy, but keeping up with daily dust and dirt doesn't have to slow you down. With the Roomba 600 series vacuuming robot from iRobot, it doesn't have to. You don't even need to be at home to do the cleaning. The iRobot Home app allows you to clean and schedule on the go. Just press Clean, and the robot goes to work, navigating around your home to find dust and dirt wherever they hide, cleaning along walls and sweeping dirt from edges and corners. The Roomba vacuuming robot moves easily from hard floors to carpet and over thresholds. It cleans under furniture, around clutter, and avoids stairs and other drop-offs. The patented 3-stage cleaning system loosens, lifts, and suctions dirt, dust, and even large debris. The Roomba 600 series cleans for up to 60 minutes, then automatically returns to the home-based charging station, so it's always ready to clean. You can schedule the robot to vacuum every day of the week. And with the iRobot Home app, you can connect to clean from anywhere, anytime.
Every home is different. That's what makes them special. And that's why we've designed Roomba with an advanced system of software and sensors to help it adapt to your unique environment. Roomba comes complete with cleaning and convenience features to make sure you get the best vacuuming performance possible. You can further customize your cleaning experience by using the cleaning settings in the iRobot Home app. Here are a few quick tips to make your home even more robot-friendly. When you set up your home-based charging station, be sure to place it along a wall in an open, uncluttered area away from stairs. If there are areas in your home that you don't want Roomba to clean, you can use a virtual wall. The virtual wall keeps Roomba in the spots you want to clean and out of the ones you don't, creating an invisible cone-shaped barrier up to 10 feet long that only the robot can see. For homes with pets, the virtual wall can also be used as a halo, creating a 26-inch circular protective zone around food and water bowls. Halo mode also works great for corners or other objects that you don't want Roomba to approach. If you want Roomba to be free to clean all over, please be sure to keep doors open so Roomba can pass through easily. Roomba is designed to clean in the real world with real clutter. The robot has clutter navigation built right in. But to give Roomba a head start, please take a moment and see if there's anything in the robot's way that you could move for a better clean. And while it's best to keep cords safely tucked away, Roomba has anti-tangle technology that keeps it from getting stuck on cords, carpet fringe, and tassels. These few things will go a long way to help Roomba clean your home just as you'd like it. And remember, Roomba can be scheduled to clean easily from the iRobot Home app up to 7 times per week, even when you're not home. You can do what you need to do, and Roomba will do the vacuuming for you.
Cordy R500 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a multifunctional robot with cleaning, sweeping, vacuuming, and wet-dry mopping, brings excellent and comprehensive cleaning performance for your household work. With its 2.7 ultra-thin design, Cordy Robot Vacuum can vacuum where dirt and dust hide, navigating around furniture and under beds, sofas, and other hard-to-reach areas. 5 cleaning modes ensure fully cleaning for multiple family environments. With R500 convenient remote control, you can remotely control robot vacuum cleaning path and to preset a cleaning time. Extremely low noise, providing a quieter cleaning experience when your baby's sleeping. Unique V-shaped rubber roller brush with patented tangle-free technology. Great for picking up hair, pet fur, and debris without tangling. 12 infrared sensors combined with a pressure-sensitive bumper for enhanced navigation, protecting your robot from falling. The robot can be scheduled to clean up to 7 times per week, even at times you're sleeping or not at home. Cordy R500 cleans up to 110 minutes per charge. Automatically goes back to charging base when in low power or when clean work is done. Always charged and ready to clean.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if it was useful for you. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Have a good time.